酱关东煮。Transport prepare some ingredients.
In a pot of water, put in 2 eggs and 2 small potatoes. Boil for 8 minutes. Then remove from pot and place in cold water. Then fried bean curd in boiling water to remove excess oil. Remove from pot and squeeze out water.
3. Boil prepare ingredients.
Cut a piece of dried mochi into 4 pieces. Slice fried bean curd into half. Open cut side of fried bean curd and place a piece of mochi inside. Get a toothpick through to seal the opening. Repeat for the rest of the ingredients. Peel eggs and potatoes. Cut 500 grams radish into 1-inch thick pieces, and cut potatoes in half.
Let's start cooking.
Heat 1 liter of water in a pot, adding 2 to 3 pieces of dried kelp. Simmer for 10 minutes, then remove. Add a sachet of bonito stock powder, 1 tablespoon mirin and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Stir. Place radish, potatoes and egg in the broth. Then put in all fish cakes and mochi bags. Bring to boil and let it simmer for an hour, covered. Best if allowed to simmer for at least 4 hours. Enjoy!